Hey guys, namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today in our CSS session we are going to learn formatting of text using CSS styles. So by using the CSS style properties, we are going to change our text colors, decoration, transformations, word spacing, font size, font family and more. And if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new video. So let's start today's session. In our web page, we have one p element and we have some text inside it. So on this text, we are going to change the various formatting text styles by using the CSS. For this, on our head section, I added a style tag, and inside it we are going to define various formatting style properties for this p element. On start, let's change the color of this text. For this, we can use a property color, and on value of this color property, and on the value of this color property, we can give the name of the color like red. Then we can see that our text color has changed into red color. Similarly, you can also use a hex code for giving the color value like #0000FF for giving the color blue. Similarly, to make our text underline, we can use a property text decoration. And on the value of this text decoration property, we can give the value underline to make our text underline. Similarly, we can also make our line overline, by which we can get the overline on our text. And also we can use a value line throw, which makes our text strike out. If you don't need any text decorations, we can use a value none for remove all text decorations that applied on the text. Similarly, we can also change the cases of our text. For this, we will use a property text transform. And on the value of this, we can give uppercase to make our text uppercase, or we can use a lowercase to make our text in lowercase. Or if you want to make your text on a title case, we can use a value capitalized, which makes our text as a title, and each first letter of a word will be a capitalized. Similarly, we can also change the spaces between these two words. For this, we will use a property word spacing, and on the value of this word spacing, we can give some values like 10 pixels. You can change the value as per your requirement to make the spaces between two words. Along with this, we can also make the changes on the font styles of this text. For this, we have various font style properties. And first, to change the font name, we can use a property font family. Font family is used for specifying the font and can specify a generic family or a specific family name such as serif. And to make the changes on font size, we can use a property font size. And on value of font size, we can give either relative or absolute values like 1.5 em. Similarly, we can also make our text to bold. For this, we will use font width equal to bold. It makes our text bold. Along with this, we have another property, font variant. Font variant is used for specifying whether the text should be displayed in small caps. So for the value of this font variation, we can give a value small caps, which makes our text small caps. In this way, by using a various formatting text style properties, we can design our text as per our requirement. That's all for today. We will come back soon with new CSS 3 session videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.